As the Ukrainian drone army keeps on taking out Russian equipment, they have to adapt their strike depending on the target and situation for optimal damage or destruction. Sometimes it's easier as non-armored targets take damage almost anywhere, but sometimes the precision and skill is much higher. As seen with this skillful Ukrainian drone operator stopping a Russian tank going after Ukraine's defensive position. As the drone catches up behind, the tank carries a cope cage but has a hatch open, most likely to get a better view of the battlefield. This, however, used the Ukrainian drone operator to their advantage and struck the tank at the open hatch, maximizing the damage of the tank, making sure less tanks are left for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.